Today we will discuss about recurrence relation. So recurrence relation is used to represent the time complexity in divide and conquer strategy. So recurrence relation is used to represent the time complexity in divide and conquer strategy. So what are recurrence relation? Suppose T of n is time required to find the solution for a given problem, and G of n is time required to find the solution for smaller problem, and F of n is time required to divide the problems into subproblems. So total time required T of n equal to G of n if n is small, if n is greater than 1, if we have more than one element, then what we have to do? We have to divide the problems into subproblems. Suppose if we are dividing into k subproblems, T of n1 plus T of n2 plus T of n3 up to so T of nk plus f of n. What is the T of n1? T of n1 is time required to find the solution for subproblem 1. T of n2 is time required to find the solution for subproblem 2. T of nk is time required to find the solution for subproblem k. F of n is time required to divide the problems into subproblems. So we know the relationship among the computing time. What is the relationship among the computing time is big O of 1 less than big O of log n less than big O of n less than big O of n log n less than big O of n square less than big O of n cube less than big O of 2 raised to n. So this is the relationship among the computing time. For example, we are solving recurrence relation equation. T of n equal to 2 if n equal to 1. That means if we are having only one element, time complexity is 2, and if n is greater than 1, they are giving 2Tn by 2 plus n. So we have to find the solution for this problem. If we have more than one element, then we have to find the solution. So T of n equal to 2Tn by 2 plus n. See here, 2Tn by 2, how we are getting this? Suppose list is having n elements. If you are dividing into two lists, first sublist consists of n by 2 elements, second sublist consists of n by 2 elements. N by 2 plus n by 2, 2n by 2, and n is number of how much amount of time required to divide the problems into subproblems. So that's it. So here T of n by 2 is there. T of n by 2 means again we are applying the same procedure on sublist also. Suppose sublist also having more than one element. Again we are dividing into two sublists. So wherever n elements are there, n by 2 we are making. So put n equal to n by 2. Where we have to apply? Wherever sublist is there, there only we have to apply. 2 is there. Here we have to apply. Again we have to represent the whole list. 2 into T of n by 4 plus n by 2 plus n. So 2 into 2, 4, Tn by 4 plus 2 into n by 2, n plus n, 2n. Okay. Again sublist is there. Suppose again sublist also we are consist of more than one element. Again what we are doing? Put n equal to n by 4. Put n equal to n by 4. Now 4 into 2 into T of n by 8. So wherever this T of n function is there, there we have to apply again this equation. 2 into T of n by 8 plus n by 4 plus 2n. So 2 into 4, 8. 8 T of n by 8 plus 4 into n by 4, n plus 2n, 3n. Okay. So now this one I am writing 8 equal to 2 cube T of n by 2 cube and 3n. So up to so and so, how many problems we are dividing? K's of problem. So 2 raised to k t of n by 2 raised to k plus k. 2 raised to k t of n by 2 raised to k plus k. So t of n equal to 2 raised to k t of n by 2 raised to k plus k. We know the value of t of 1. If n equal to 1 means what? T of 1. What is the t of 1? T of 1 equal to 2. T of 1 equal to 2 means when it will become t of 1? When n equal to 2 raised to k. N equal to 2 raised to k. So wherever 2 raised to k is there, we have to apply n into t of 2 raised to k by 2 raised to k, t of 1 plus k. Okay. Now what is the value of t of 1? 2. N into 2, 2n plus k. So here 2n plus n is there. What is the k value? N equal to 2 raised to k means k equal to log n base 2. So here instead of k I am writing here log n base 2. So now here 2n is there, here n log n is there. Either 2n, 4n, whatever it may be, you have to take it as big O of n, and n log n is big O of n log n. Which one is greater from among these two? N log n is the greater. So time complexity is big O of n log n. Big O of n log n. One more example we discuss. Suppose t of n equal to, if n equal to 1, then time complexity is k, and another one is 3t n by 2 plus k. If n is greater than 1, if n is greater than 1. So we have to solve this problem. If we have more than one element, then we have to solve this problem. T of n equal to 3t n by 2 plus kn. So again same recurrence relation equation we have. Wherever the sublist is there we have to apply n equal to n by 2. So here 3 into, here again we have to apply whole equation 3t n by 4 plus kn by 2 plus already kn is there. Okay. Now we are getting 3 square, 3 into 3 square, t of n by 4 plus 3 by 2 kn plus kn. Another again sublist is here. In this sublist again we are applying the same procedure. So here t of n equal to 3 square is there at 3 and sublist is there. In this sublist again put n equal to n by 4. Sublist again we are splitting into 2 groups. So that's why n equal to n. So 3 into t of n by 8 plus kn by 4 plus 3 by 2 kn already is there. Plus 3 by 2 kn plus kn already is there. Okay. Now we have to write 3 square into 3 cube, t of n by 2 cube plus 3 square by 4, that is 3 by 2 whole square kn plus 3 by 2 kn plus kn. Now kn is the common here. So now we have to write 3 cube t of n by 2 cube plus, here kn is the common. So here 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 plus 1 is there. We know the formula, that is 1 plus x plus x square up to so x raised to n minus 1 equal to x raised to n minus 1 by x minus 1. This is the formula. X raised to n minus 1 by x minus 1. Now instead of x we have to write 3 by 2. Instead of n we have to write 2. Instead of so 2 is the what is the value to n, or if you want to write you can write k sub properties. So here you can write here k 2 is the k minus 1, then 3 will become k, 3 raised to k, p of n by 2 raised to k, and plus kn is there. Now we have to apply this formula. X instead of x what we have to write 3 by 2. Instead of n we have to write k minus 1 by 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1. So here 3 raised to k p of n by 2 raised to k. When it will become n equal to p of 1? Whenever n equal to, since n equal to 2 raised to k. So plus kn 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 3 minus 2 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So then it will become 2 by 1. So 2kn into 3 by 2 whole power k minus 1. So then 3 raised to k plus p of n by 2 power k. So we are assuming that n equal to 2 raised to k, then it will become p of 1 plus 2kn is there. 2kn into 3 by 2 whole power k minus 2kn. 2kn. So then what we get? 3 raised to k is there. So 3 raised to k, p of 1 value is k into k plus 2kn into 3 raised to k by 2 raised to k minus 2kn minus 2kn. So we know the value of this one. See, n equal to 2 raised to k, we are assuming that n equal to 2 raised to k means k equal to log n base 2. K equal to log n base 2. So 3 raised to k, 3 log n base 2, you have to write 3 power log n base 2 plus 2kn into 3 by 2 whole power k. So 3 raised to k, that is 3 power log n base 2 by 2 power log n base 2 minus 2kn. Okay. So here 3 power log n base 2, we are writing that see in logarithmic values a power log b base c equal to b power log a base c. You can write it. So n power log 3 base 2 plus 2kn into n power log 3 base 2 by n power log 2 base 2. Okay, log 2 base 2 value is 1. So 1 and will be cancelled minus 2k. So now here n power log 3 base 2 is common here. N power log 3 base 2 is common. 1 plus 2k minus 2k. Okay. So here this is 1 plus 2k. 1 plus 2k into n power log 3 base 2. See, here n log n is there. Here k value is n power log 3 base 2 and 1 plus 2k. Here also k is there. K also it is here also p of 1 is k value. So here also k is there. 1 plus 1k plus 2k. So 3k. Now again minus 2k is 2 into n log n. So here 3k, 2k plus 1k is 3k, 3k into n power log 3 base 2 by 2n log n is there. Here n log n is greater or here k is again log n. So n power log 3 base 2 log n. Another one is n log n. Which one is greater? N power log 3 base 2 log n and n log n. So n power log 2 base 2 this one, here log 3 base 3. So log 3 base 3 is the greater one. So big O of n power log 3 base 2 log n is the time constant.